Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Mazda CX-50 can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at how I completed this Draw-Tite hitch installation. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. We will start the installation by lowering the underbody panel at the rear of the vehicle. There are 4 trim clips, and we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to remove them. You can now remove 2 10mm fasteners. They can be found in the dark recess of the trim panel. There is a tab inside the square next to the bolt hole. You can use a flathead screwdriver to release at least one of these tabs in order to pull the panel away. The next step will be to remove this trim panel to make room for the receiver. We're going to remove it with a Phillips head screwdriver. There are 2 screws underneath. Return these screws and panel to the owner. They will not be reinstalled. Use a flathead screwdriver to also pry away a clip in order to pull the trim panel loose. There are 2 more clips to release. You will need to trim the center of the bracket out for the hitch receiver. You can line it up into position. Use a wax crayon to mark the desired area to trim. Remove tape from the weld nuts on each frame rail. There are 2 weld nuts, one here and one here. Now repeat for the other side. We're now ready to raise the hitch into position. I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, I recommend that you get a second set of hands. Align the 4 mounting locations with the weld nuts on the vehicle. We can now install our new hardware. There is a conical tooth washer. The teeth will always face the hitch. Now repeat for the other side. Tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer's specifications. We will link them in the description below. We are going to use a 19mm socket. We can now return the plastic bumper supports, clipping them into place, returning the 10mm fastener, and 2 trim clips. Now repeat for the other side. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 4 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 13 1/4 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, ski carrier, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app from the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.